Hello, this is Don Maxwell from Live IT Academy, and today we're continuing with our Excel shortcut and function keys. Um, this is the second lesson on navigating using shortcut keys. So we're going to be looking specifically at the ribbon shortcuts. So if you're new to the ribbon, this will give you an understanding of the ribbon's keyboard shortcut models. So the ribbon comes with new shortcuts called access keys. So to see visible key tips for the access key, you would just press the alternate key. So on your keyboard, if you're using a US keyboard, you will have two alternate keys. So the alternate keys, right? So the alternate keys, you can use either one. If you notice, I press once, the access keys appear. I press them again, and they're gone. So one, press the access key, the alternate key on your keyboard. The access keys show up. I press it again, they're off. Right? So when you want to display these keys on the ribbon, you press the alternate key plus any letter for that particular tabs. Of course, you know home, insert, draw, those are tabs, right? So what if I want a particular tab? I could press the alternate key plus that key's letter and they will appear. I give you an example. If I want the insert tab, I would press the alternate N. I could press the alternate plus the N key and see the insert tab is active. See that? What about if I want the formula? What if I press the alternate M, right? So again, remember I'm toggling on or off. So I press it off first and then go alternate M, and the formula bar, the formula tab will now be active. So just to iterate, we go to the ribbon, we press the alternate, and then move between tabs using the arrow key. So your arrow key, I can also move between tabs. Right? So again, if I go to the alternate key and I use the arrow key, I can alternate between tabs as well, as you see that, right? Of course, you know to hide the ribbon, we use the Control and the F1 key. Control F1 key will hide the ribbon or show the ribbon. These are toggle keys. You turn it on the same way you turn it off. So Control, right, and F1 turns or hides the ribbon. Control F1 again will show the ribbon. So it's only repeating the same steps, right? All right, so we're going to go to the access key for the ribbon. So we can go directly to the tabs on the ribbon, and we can press the following shortcut keys, right? What if I want to open the Tell Me box on the ribbon and type, let's say, search term for assistance or help? What do I do? Well, I can use the alternate Q and then enter the search term. So this is what I want. So if I go in and use the alternate and the Q, it automatically opens up this box, and now I could say help access keys, right? And it will give me some help on the access keys. All right, so that will be alternate Q. All right, what if I want to open a file and we can view the backstage view, right? So let's turn that off, as again, I said that you can turn it off or on, right? And you can actually go to the next key, open the file page, and view the backstage view. That would be alternate F, right? Alternate F. Oh, and here you can see that I have access to the additional commands. It's very simple. When you use the alternate key, you open the tab and then you follow up with the next. So for example, if I wanted to go to info, I would go the alternate FI, right? So wherever I see the access keys, that's just another step. In your notation, you can have a comma between after the F comma I, that would be opening the information, right? So if I went, let's turn this off again, turn off the access keys, but if I went to the alternate FI, it opens info, right? So it's just about following. And if I wanted to go to the properties, I could do alternate FIQS or FIS for size, or FIO for the author information, or the FIQP for the properties. See? So it's just following those shortcut access keys. All right, so if I wanted to see the Home tab, I could go alternate H, and the Home tab will now be active, right? So I can press the alternate again to turn them off. What about open the Insert tab? And let's say if you had data, which we don't have, but I'll still demonstrate this. If you wanted a pivot table, charts, add-ins, sparkline, pictures, shapes, headers, all those things can be accessed if I go to the alternate N, right? And here I have access to all those things, right? NN would do the chart, or alternate N, SA, SD for various charts, right? Open the Drawer tab. I would go to the alternate, the J and the I, right? So let's turn this off. Go to the alternate JI, right? And again, you can see that the drawer keys are available to me, the drawer tab. All right, open the page layout would be what? Alternate P, right? And again, I could go to alternate P, I could go to the margin, I can go to O, I could go to SZ for size, or R for area, or if I want to go to the theme, is TH, right? What about formulas? If I want to open the formula tab, alternate M, right? Alternate M. What about the data tab? Alternate A, right? Alternate A will bring me to the data tab. What about the review tab? What about alternate R? So let's turn that off. Go to alternate R, the review tab. And finally, we can look at the view tab and preview page break and layouts and show grid lines and all that stuff. We can set the zoom, magnification. We can manage the window panes and view macros. Simply going to the alternate W, right? So if we go to alternate W, we will have access to the view and all that other information, right? Alternate W. Okay, and of course, we have data in our sheet. These will be active as well, right? Okay, so that's the introduction to the new ribbon shortcut access keys, right? So to highlight, you can look below this video and see the actual table with these keys. You can print them and you can use them throughout. There are alternate Q, alternate F, alternate H for home, alternate N for insert, alternate JI for drawer, alternate P for page layout, alternate M for formulas, alternate A for data, alternate R for review, alternate W for view, right? And as we said, alternate Q and then enter any search information, or alternate F for the file, or alternate H for home, right? And again, you can find that below. You can print it and review it. These shortcuts will help you master Excel, okay? All right, so I'll see you in the next module. We still have more shortcuts to review, okay?